If you want to update your Facebook app on your iPhone, there's two things we can do. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the App Store, just like any other iPhone. So let's go ahead and find our App Store here. And once this loads up, we're going to go ahead and type in Facebook. So go to your magnifying glass at the bottom right-hand corner and go ahead and type in Facebook. Should just pop up. There we go. And then go ahead and click on Facebook. A lot of times this will say update, but if it does not say update, but you still want to update your phone, there is a trick that you can do. So if this doesn't say update, go ahead and close this out. Go ahead and find your settings. Go to General, and then go to iPhone Storage. Once you're here, you want to go find Facebook in your apps here. And what we're going to do is offload the app and offload the app. What this is going to do is it's going to get rid of cache, but it's also going to force Facebook to update your phone to the newest version and go ahead and hit reinstall app. Don't worry, it's not going to log you out or anything, but what it's going to do is get rid of cache and back data and things like that, and it's going to force update the app so you get every new feature that you possibly can. And from that point forward, you should have the most updated Facebook app on your phone, and that's it. It's super simple and super easy.